Welcome to our guide on fixing the Gmail black screen issue on your PC, especially after the recent update. If you're experiencing a frustrating black screen when trying to access Gmail, don't worry. We have several steps to help you resolve this problem quickly and efficiently. First, let's check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for Gmail to function properly. To do this, look for the network icon in the notifications area on your taskbar. Click on it and ensure that you're connected to your network. If there are issues, try reconnecting or switching to a different network. Next, it's time to refresh the Gmail webpage. Sometimes a simple refresh can solve the problem. Click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. If that doesn't work, try closing your browser completely and then reopening it. This can clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the black screen. If refreshing didn't help, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is essential as accumulated data can lead to display issues. Click on the three dots at the top right of your browser window, then select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that appears, make sure all options are checked and set the time range to All Time. Finally, click on Delete Data to clear everything. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can work wonders. To do this, press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click on the power icon and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button again. This can help reset any underlying issues affecting Gmail. By following these steps, checking your internet connection, refreshing Gmail, clearing your cache and cookies, and restarting your device, you should be able to resolve the black screen issue effectively. If you continue to experience problems after trying all these solutions, consider reaching out to Gmail support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you get back to using Gmail without any hassle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.